Hey there, congratulations on your travel trailer purchase. Here are 5 accessories that we suggest that you add before you take it out for your first trip. The first item that we suggest is our surge guards. These are a fraction of the cost of your appliances and can save you thousands of dollars down the line if an electrical surge were to happen. These will protect your fridge, your microwave, your oven, and any other appliance inside your travel trailer. The second item that we suggest are our trailer aids. These are great for backing up or driving forward onto it and lifting that second tire off the ground. If you have a flat tire, sometimes it can be a pain to pull out your bottle jack and all your tools to get it done. This way, it's super simple. You drive forward or back up, and you're good to go. The third item that we suggest here at Transcona Trailer Sales is our slide toppers. They will roll out automatically as you push your slide out and will protect your roof from debris and rain over time. The fourth item that we suggest is our generators. They're made by Cummins and Onan. They're the quietest running in its class. It's got your 30 amp plug here, your household plugs here. It's got an LED display as well as remote start, pull start, and push start. The fifth item that we suggest at Transcona Trailer Sales is our solar package. It now comes in a 200 watt panel with the solar controller, the wiring, as well as the brackets to install it. This package will run all your appliances except for your AC and your microwave. If you want to add those appliances as well as your household plugs, you can add an inverter, which we also offer here as well. If you've not added any of these items yet to your travel trailer, come down and see us at Transcona Trailer Sales or give us a call, 204-237-7272.